Good morning, friends. Today is April 7th, 2021. We are going to get started with Number Corner. Please write the date and Number Corner at the top of your paper. Press pause until you are ready to continue. All right, friends, please write a number 1 on your paper. Next to number 1, you are going to draw today's shape. So today we have a rectangle. Please draw today's shape and then draw the lines of symmetry that you see. Again, draw today's shape and then draw the lines of symmetry on the shape. Press pause if you need more time for number 1. Alrighty, friends, we are moving on to number 2. Next to number 2, you are going to write 7 addition equations that equal 7. You are also going to write 7 subtraction equations that equal 7. Therefore, you will have a total of 14 equations next to number 2. Again, you are going to write 7 addition equations that equal 7 and 7 subtraction equations that equal 7. Press pause if you need more time for number 2. Alrighty, friends, we are moving on to number 3. So for number 3, we have now been in school for 119 days. So you are going to write an addition equation that equals 119, a subtraction equation that equals 119, coins that have a value of $1.19, and your 100, 10 sticks, and 1 blocks. Again, number 3, you are representing the number 119 with an addition equation, subtraction equation, coins that have a value of $1.19, and your 100 block, 10 sticks, and 1 block. Press pause if you need more time for number 3. Alrighty, we are moving on to number 4. For number 4, you are going to write 3 numbers that are less than 6. Please write them using this format. The number using the less than sign and then 6. 3 numbers that are less than 6. Press pause if you need more time for number 4. Alrighty, we are moving on to number 5. Number 5 says, put these numbers in order from least to greatest. The numbers today are 86, 64, 96, 31, and 58. Please put the numbers in order from least to greatest. All right, friends, well, have a wonderful Wednesday, and I will see you tomorrow.